Hi, my name is Dr. Gurvinder, working as a medical officer from the early detection program in the Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital, Sangrur. Now the question may arise that what is the early detection program? In year 2013, Tata Memorial Centre, in the collaboration with the PGI MER Chandigarh and with the help of the Punjab government, started the population based cancer registry, in which they want to check the actual burden of the cancer in the Punjab state, mainly in the semi-urban, urban and rural areas. So PBCR is covering almost 4.6 million of the population from the district Chandigarh, from SAS Nagar, from Sangrur and the Mansa. So on the basis of the PBCR studies, it is noted that major cancer cases in this district Sangrur are breast and cervix uteri in females, and oral, esophageal and prostate lung cancers are in males, and most of these cancers are preventable. And the second thing we noted that if 70% of cases are registering in the hospital, they are attending the hospital for treatment, then only 60% of them are completing it. Rest 40% of the cases are not completing the treatment. Maybe their personal issues, maybe their issues regarding their transportations, traveling, they can be from the long distance, or their issues like financial status, they are not so financially good that they can't adjust the treatment facility here. Third thing, we have noted that from this Sangrur district, every year we registered around 1000 of the cancer cases every year, and it is noted that there are 600 to 700 deaths registering every year. So to tackle this problem, the hospital faculty had decided to start the door-to-door survey to aware the community regarding the risk factors, regarding the preventive measures and the signs and symptoms related to the oral, breast and cervix uteri cancers, in which the awareness is given to the local community people in their local language only, so that they can understand it well through the health education, through quiz competitions, through drawing competitions and much more activities. In the end of the door-to-door survey, a screening camp is organized for the symptomatic and the self-willing patients. If the patient have the complaints related their oral cavity, like they have any white patch, they have any red patch, they have any oral lesion, so we have an oncodiagnoscope to check the specificity of that lesion, that whether it is leukoplakia, whether it is erythroplakia or any ulcer-proliferative lesion. If the participant is asking about, if the participant is complaining about the breast related symptoms, like I have any breast lump, have any nipple discharge, have nipple retraction, then we do manual screening at that place, and after that, if needed, we do mammography in the campus. If the participant is complaining about the vaginal discharge, about the postmenstrual bleeding, about the bleeding after the intercourse, or abnormal uterine bleeding, then we do a specific test which name as visual inspection via acetic acid or via the Lugol's iodine. So all the diagnostic procedures under this project are free of cost, and the treatment facilities are provided by the hospital, like chemotherapy related, radiotherapy related, pathology related, surgical oncology related. Hospital have two financial facilities. One is the Mukhyamantri Punjab Cancer Rahat Kosh scheme, in which they provide around 1.5 lakh in a cashless mode, and second one is Pradhan Mantri Arogya Jan Yojana, that Ayushman card, which provides around 5 lakh in cashless mode to the patient, so that they can have their treatment, they complete their treatment to decrease the level of incompleting them. So beside this, the hospital also have the facility of langar and dharamshala, so that the patient and their relatives can have their meal in a proper time and in a proper way, and they can stay, who are far away from the area, from the locality, from the hospital campus, they can stay here without any tension of the transportation, without any tension of the traveling, they can stay here. If the participant is okay with no abnormalities, then the participant is counseled for to maintain her proper hygiene and to maintain her proper lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, like doing exercise daily, yoga activities, or much more things to maintain her proper and healthy lifestyle. But if the participant is having any kind of abnormality, then we refer to her or him to the surgical oncologist for the further assessment. Impact of the project is that on the community ki major thing is cancer awareness level will increase and we can detect early stage cancer. And the most important thing is that people will complete their treatment, around 80% will complete their treatment at an early stage. At the result, the survival rate for the cancer patient will increase. So in last, I request you all of you to join us to expand this project, to expand the facilities to the participants, to the patients, so that they can have their treatment, their cases can detect at early stage. And if anybody have any kind of query or anybody have any kind of symptom related to the oral, breast and cervix cancer, they can directly contact through our contact numbers. The number is 9417916224 and second number is 94179177783. Thank you.